General Constantino Chiwenga, the man who once stood at the center of the 2017 military-assisted transition, is once again emerging as the gravitational force in the ruling party's succession matrix, despite the noise from desperate political actors like Dr. Shinamotagure, Temba Mliswa, S. Lumumba, and the flurry of accusations and counter accusations. The signs are unmistakable. The center of power is shifting. This is not a coup in making. It is a constitutional succession wrapped in a political choreography. General Chiwenga is not campaigning. He doesn't need to. His power lies not in populist rallies or social media theatrics, but in the quiet confidence of someone who understands the architecture of the state. He has been vice president since 2017, and his influence within the military, the party, and the civil service remains formidable. Sabina mashoko arikuda pangwa ide aiwa atikuona kuti maanti 2030 supporters oya pangwa ino achiindoza general ndori subscribe like turn the bell icon. Sarwana Ndramira achiti the recent public rebukes, factional skirmishes, and sudden bursts of moral outrage are not random. They are symptoms of a deeper anxiety within the establishment and awareness that the post-Mugabe consensus is fraying, and that the Mnangagwa era is approaching its twilight. President Mnangagwa's second term has been marked by economic stagnation, elite excess, and a growing disconnect between the leadership and the people. In contrast, General Chiwenga is being quietly positioned as the stabilizing alternative, a man of order in a time of drift. Of course, the road ahead is neither smooth nor guaranteed. Zambia's history is littered with aborted successions and political betrayals, but this time the momentum feels different. The military, long the silent arbiter of Zimbabwean politics, appear to be reasserting its role, and in that equation, retired General Chiwenga is not just a participant, he is the pivot. The coming months will be decisive. The party's elective congress, the tone of the state, media, and the choreography of public events all will offer clues. But one thing is clear, the succession debate is no longer a taboo. It is the subtext of every political move, every cabinet shuffle, every public spot. And if the current trajectory holds, Zimbabwe may soon witness another carefully managed transition, one that, like 2017, will be presented as continuity, but will in fact mark a profound shift in the balance of power. History is not waiting, it is unfolding, and retired General Chiwenga's moment may be closer than many dare to admit. Ndo mashoko anobudai tokapangwa ino achiratidza kuti aiwa panapa vana musaruro vari kuyapangwa ino vachiti aiwa nguva yaJeneral Constantino Chiwenga yava padhuze. Pinda kumesection medu muzamafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi. Subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.